Hello, my name is Aneri Thakkar and my show is called It's That Simple. I basically talk to interesting people about interesting topics, have surprise activities and life doubts. I'm nobody to teach you life. I'm just here to question the way you usually think. And why do I do it? Because I can. And because I prefer living, not just existing.
Hello. What's your honest take on polyamory as a form of relationship? To anybody who doesn't know what polyamory is, it's basically multiple people in a relationship wherein everybody knows. सबको ऐसा नहीं जो तुम लोग करते हो.
But again, the clarity between the partner is very important on what they want and how, and it shouldn't be an emotional confusion. I think if you're clear by thought and clear and life is working for you, do what you feel is right.
What about you, Sachin?
See, obviously, I don't think humans are meant to be monogamous. Okay, I don't. They're not. You think?
मुझे क्यों
Okay,
पता था कि तुम
if
ये
you
बोलोगे?
date someone, you think you won't find anyone else attractive. You only am asking. You won't look at another girl. Oh, hey, you're a penguin or what? Only penguins. See, humans are not meant to be monogamous. 100% that all we only made. I'm saying it's a good thing that it's like this, but we're not naturally monogamous. We according to society and practices that have been come like for like generations, that's why we're doing monogamy as a practice. It's supposed to be randomly only.
I think, but monogamy is more about action than it is about attraction. No matter who you are with, even if you are with the most attractive woman in the world, or even if you are with the most handsome guy in the world, the girl will also find multiple guys attractive, the guy will also find multiple other girls attractive. It's not just common, it's basic human behavior. But your actions being monogamous is different from your thoughts being monogamous. And the reason for your actions being monogamous should not come from a place of ethics. वो मेरे लिए secondary problem है.
Okay.
मम्मा नहीं सुन रही है बात. पर human race has 24 hours overall. And it is not possible for you to give more than a certain amount of time to, let's say, your relationships, to your career, and उसी बीच human brain is also designed कि 45 minutes to 1.5 hour का तुम्हारा attention span होता है to do anything. अब इस पूरे procedure में if you want to achieve something legendary in your career, you doing that can only happen when you go two ways of the pendulum usually, wherein, and that is based on data of the most successful people in the world, कि either you go all the way monogamous or you go all the way non-monogamous, not polyamorous. Polyamorous is still चार लोग का fixed relationship. It is all the way कि जो करना है जब करना है करो versus being with a one person, because those are the only two situations wherein you have the mental space to actually achieve something else. Now that depends on your career goals. If somebody decides कि मुझे इतना कुछ अचीव नहीं करना है, आई एम हैप्पी विद अ नॉर्मल लाइफ, यू कैन स्टिल एक्सप्लोर समथिंग पॉलीएमरस एंड यू कैन स्टिल डू इट. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, इफ यू एक्सप्लोर समथिंग लाइक दैट विल टेक अवे स्पेस एंड टाइम फ्रॉम योर करियर. एंड वो चीज़ तभी हो सकती है जब तुम्हारे पास एक मेंटल स्पेस हो कि अब ये सॉर्टेड है, चाहे फिर वो ऐसे सॉर्टेड है कि अब चाहे 10 लोग 50 लोग मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, आई जस्ट नीड द फिजिकल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ अ रिलेशनशिप, तो मैं बदलते रहूँगा लोग. उस तरीके से तुम सॉर्टेड हो, या तो तुम सॉर्टेड हो कि अब एक ही बंदा है फॉर लाइफ एंड दिस इज़ द पर्सन, अब मेरे को क्या करना है उस पर ध्यान जा रहा है, कि ये नहीं है कि मुझे इस बंदे से प्यार है इसलिए मैं इसके साथ ही लाइफ. इट्स ऑल्सो कमिंग फ्रॉम अ प्लेस ऑफ दिमाग चलाओ थोड़ा, कि वॉट यू वॉन्ट टू डू विथ योर पर्पज ओवरऑल.
Still, I don't think so. Like you're saying purpose, right? Like who's making this purpose? Purpose comes under something that you made up for yourself.
Yeah. So accordingly you decide whether you want to go about with this or you want to go about with that.
Which is the decision again that you're making, right?
Exactly. Okay. So probably, what about you guys? Do you guys have an opinion about and against?
Wait,
for दोनों चलेगा?
Is there anyone who would be in a polygam? What is that? Polyamory relationship. What is it?
Mike.
Okay, wait, opinion, okay. And I can ask people that monogamy is a product of marriage.
Correct.
And marriage is a product of society to keep it structured.
That's what I also told.
ठीक है?
If you remember.
So if you so if you want to keep it structured, you need to have a marriage so that even though two people hate each other for life, they have to be together. That's what the case
You
we
can't
have
talk
seen.
about our parents and all now.
Yeah, that's what we have seen the case with our parents.
Yeah, that's what. Most of our parents are like that. Yeah.
Now I don't know how humanity is going in a direction of in terms of relationships. It's definitely changing, and we are at an inflection point. where polyamorous and polygamy type of relationships are coming out. And I wouldn't say they are exactly bad, because my best friend, she is in a polyamorous relationship and they have been together for 9 years.
Yeah.
I have changed 4 partners within that.
So who's really the poly?
And I am
At least they're
I'm
saving
monogamous.
on, dude, at least they're like saving on rent, you know?
Yeah, they're saving on rent also. But
Yeah.
like, to me, it sounds like a lot of chaos.
Huh.
And to be able to sort of rewire your brain into being very polyamorous requires you to be very emotionally present, have that EQ, have conversation around all of that. वो मुझसे नहीं होता. Insecurities humans में आ ही जाती है किसी ना किसी तरीके से, because if you are a girl or if you're a guy, no matter what, you will be comparing yourself to the other person, right? So to have sanity in your mind, it is very important to be able to actually be confident in yourself and also have communication with your partner.
So you think if you have confidence, you can pull off a whatever that
Yeah,
thing
if you
is,
have confidence in your relationship and your partner. Yeah, वो जो भी यार होता था ना हमारी society में, that no, it's monogamy is basically, and marriage is for to keep the property in the family. If you think about it.
Yeah.
That is what the whole reason
what if
marriage.
what if we don't have property, then what?
But
गरीब लोगों में नहीं चलता भाई ये.
That's what I'm asking for
Polyamory is
myself.
not for garib people. Is the conclusion that you have come
Hey,
up with.
why can't homeless people be they don't have a house. They need to feel warm.
I think marriage as an institution or any kind of monogamy overall was not just designed for society. One, it was definitely designed for the governmental authority ka jo money passing line, everything. But it was also designed for children. When you have children and that process being smooth, all of us too early to talk about. But at the same time, yeah, it was meant ki when you're getting married and you have children, that environment that you build for them. And besides, when we talk about polyamory, तो हम लगता है कि everybody in that relationship will always be sane about, you know, never insecure. But it's not just about you being confident about yourself. It's also about कि अगर उन 4 दूसरे लोगों में से भी कोई insecure है, या उन 4 में से भी somebody is not confident about themselves, they will create trouble for your life as well. जैसे कि ये वो वाली बात हो गई कि taking flatmates when you're with 2 people versus when you're with 4 people. अब 4 इंसान को 4 क्या खाना है? अब वही चीज़ बदलती चेंज होती जाएगी. सो सी इट्स नॉट राइट और रॉन्ग. इफ यू आर एबल टू फाइंड द राइट साइड ऑफ पीपल, इफ यू आर इन दैट फेज ऑफ योर लाइफ, एंड इफ योर पर्पस अलाइंस विद दैट व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर करियर, व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर फैमिली एंड योर फ्यूचर, अबाउट चिल्ड्रन, अबाउट एवरीथिंग, तो इट्स डेफिनेटली अ वेरी गुड चॉइस टू टेक इफ यू कैन टेक. पर एट द सेम टाइम यू हैव टू बी कॉशियस कि वन, यू आर डीलिंग विद पीपल हु आर नॉट परफेक्ट, पीपल हु कैन क्रिएट, वन पर्सन कैन क्रिएट दिस मच ड्रामा, 4 लोग इंटू 4, वही चीज़, और वो होनी है. ऐसा यू कांट से कि वो कभी नहीं होगी, बट इट्स ओके इफ यू आर ओके विद डीलिंग विद दैट.
I have a perspective very quickly to add here. So a word of caution, right? You have to ask yourself that do I want to be polyamorous/polygamous because I want to be, or am I just a cheater? I know it's just a scandalous. I know it's a scandalous thing to say. You can clap it up. It's fine. I know it's a scandalous thing to say, but I am done with people saying ki, oh, I am anxious, I have an avoidant attachment style. No bro, you're just a cheater, or you just cannot decide whom you want as a girlfriend, so can you get out of my life? You know, like, because I'll tell you, we have come to an age wherein if you just put a fancy word on anything, people will buy it. Okay, so you have to ask yourself ki, yaar, is there anything I need to fix about my character, or I really want to be polyamorous? So let's not have any confusions there.
But you can't be a cheater if you let them know beginning only, no?
It's consensual. Yeah, that
so
way you
that's
can
only-
definitely.
yeah. I don't know why I'm supporting polyamory, guys. Look, any polyamory people here? No one's there.
कोई नहीं, anybody who raises their hand, camera is on you guys.
That's fine, yeah.
मैं तो डाल दूंगी, बाकी तुम जवाब देना. Is it still a good idea to get into content creation today?
Ligge
Yes,
Malia.
the first businessman that you could think of.
Yeah, what a lovely businessman.
A blue ocean, a place where there's less competition.
The amount of effort I'm putting, how much money is that giving me?
मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता तुम्हारा कितना फेम है, मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता अगर हर इंसान दूसरा इंसान तुम्हें जानता है. अगर तुम्हारी ऑडियंस के पास देने के लिए पैसा नहीं तो मैं तुम्हारे पास क्यों रील शूट कराऊंगी?